got all this cleaned up a little. So the first step to reassembly, I'm going to go ahead and put that first spring on. Get the little ring there, those are always going to face outwards. We'll just place our 3 pawls here in the little pockets. Line it up with this one. You don't want to bend this too far out, just enough to get it on there. There's like a little groove that's going to pop into. You want to capture each of these pawls there. So you can see that one's down a little bit. Once we get it into place, this and the ring is not quite engaged. There we go. Alright, so we got all 3 of those to where they want to flip out. So, yeah, again, if you want to, make it quieter, you want to use like a thicker lube like feel wood or something like that. If you want a loud freewheel noise, use a lighter, some kind of a lighter lubricant. Rotate it back freewheel style. You can see how those are all gauging there. Put that bearing in. Same thing here. What you would do is you want to fill that cavity with grease. Put your bearings in one at a time. Drop this in, and then you can proceed from there. So we've got these. Actually, there's 3 pretty thin shims there, and you want to tighten the freewheel up. You'll just, usually they're varying thicknesses. These seem like they're all about the same, but you can leave one out, kind of test it. It's going to be reverse thread here, so we'll go counterclockwise to tighten that up. Now again, you have to, basically this is going to be easiest if it's actually on the hub, and you can kind of smack that. You probably want this to end up maybe down, maybe not quite a quarter turn, but definitely down in maybe an inch or so. And that's basically it. If you removed any of the shims, make sure that this steel spins freely. You don't want it locking up on you. Normally there'll be just a little bit of play. This is maybe a little excessive, but they may disappear once we tighten this in. But yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching.